Hello, Martin Baker here and welcome to the Baker's Show Centre. It's my ambition to meet every client personally so I can ensure I offer the best advice and share my years of experience. That's why I work on an appointment-only basis to make sure I can spend quality time with you. When we meet, we always start by finding out your requirements and ambitions, and then we discuss the rules and regulations to ensure the building is an absolute asset for you and to your property. After that, we can then get going with the fun stuff. Here at Baker's, we've got 14 buildings on display with an array of options and sizes, helping to make the perfect decision for you and your budget. We display all of the door options from our single UPVC to our aluminium options, including the double French doors, the inline sliding, the very popular tri-sliding, and then the bifolding doors as well. We also have our standard clear glass that's toughened, our low E glass, and a number of brands of integrated blinds, multiple colours on that as well. There really is a lovely options for the integrated blinds. Along with our standard MTX cladding, we show a number of alternative solutions that remain steadfast to our focus of zero maintenance and a 50-year life expectancy. This includes the Millboard shadow line and board and batten, split face tiling, the London Stone Porcelain design clad, which is stunning, and we can also look at the pros and cons of a regular timber cladding. With the sides and externals taken care of, we can then focus on the interior design, the position in the furniture, gym equipment, or that all-important Baker's bar. I will work with you to make the interior design perfect for your requirements. We will also discuss interior feature walls, from our popular oak veneer and our painted colours to the AccuPanel, tile, brick and even stone options, and you may even want to go with a mural wallpaper or the stunning Murato bark that we've just installed. Our inspiration room has hundreds of options and combinations, allowing you to understand what's possible so you can add your personal touch to the building. We can also discuss your entire garden ambition and share our trusted partner display. This includes the London stone paving, the Grillo kitchen, architectural plants, TJM and Tom Manville for the landscaping, and many other partners that we're working with. So if you're thinking of a garden room, why not make an appointment to meet me at the show centre? It's right next door to our factory where every Baker's room is made, and you can take a tour. It's only 20 minutes south of Gatwick. There's dedicated parking and there's a fresh coffee always waiting for you. I look forward to seeing you soon.